Hi everybody. I was given a lesson today to a vet, and this person was having a little problem with forming bar chords. And all of a sudden it just dawned on me that maybe there's a better way than just telling somebody to, put your finger on this fret, put your finger on this fret, blah blah blah. So let's start with the most rudimentary form of bar chord, which would look like this. Okay, all I'm doing is I'm barring these three strings. First fret. This would be the most rudimentary F minor. Okay? Make sure you get it nice and clear. Okay, the next stage in building the bar chord would be to leave everything that I'm going to show you today has this in common. This stays. So the next note you're going to want to add is your ring finger on the D string of the 3rd fret. So it's a 4-string strum. And now you have a full F minor semi-bar chord. Okay, the next stage in forming a full bar chord would be, okay, you had this, I just showed you. Now what we're going to do is take your ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the A string and put your pinky where the ring finger was, 3rd fret of the D string. You're going to pluck 5 strings. So that's a little bit fuller semi-bar chord. And then of course there is the full bar chord, okay, which is going to require that you get your pointer finger as straight as possible onto the 1st fret. Bar all the strings and make sure your thumb is roughly midway on the back of the neck behind the middle of the 1st fret, approximately. Okay? You're going to hold it tight and make sure you get 6 strings that are clear. Once you get that clear, then you're going to take your ring finger and put it back on the A string, 3rd fret, and you're going to put your pinky back on the D string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to try to get all the notes clear. So again, you could start from here, the most basic. Bar the 1st fret, G, B, and E string. Then you're going to add your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the D string. Now if some of you have small hands and you find that this stretch is a little bit too hard, you can substitute your pinky over here. And there you have it. Which actually it makes it even easier to add the ring finger. Okay, rather than going like this, all you have to do is put your ring finger down. So this is 5 strings and the full bar. Hope that helps you out.